Oh yeah, I can see it, babe. It's big.
Yes, sir.
It's big. Oh no. Wait. Baby Hamour. That's
spent all
the real
21 years of his
one.
career in Dallas and led the team
Should I let this one go?
In 2011. Just days after holding a virtual summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping, President Joe Biden revealed that the United States could launch a diplomatic boycott of the upcoming Winter Olympics in Beijing. When asked about potential U.S.
Whatever. And those are the ones that get abandoned. That's a fun rabbit hole to go down. Look at those pictures of the old Olympic stadiums and stuff. Yeah.
That's your Balls to the Wall Sports. I'm Lindsay at 97.5 KMOD.
Oh no. Ah, baby queen.
Good morning, it's the Big Mad Morning Show. 918-460-KMOD. Giving away beer, friggin' A Friday. We want to know, what at work annoyed you this week? What at work annoyed you?
Travelers.
We are fixing to
73.
All right. Jake, what percentage of people will
I'm gonna catch you a bait and I'm gonna catch you the bait and
what percentage of people will spend Thanksgiving with their closest family?
68.
All right. What percentage won't celebrate at all, Jake? What percentage won't celebrate at all?
15.
15 travel on Thanksgiving. Jake said 62%. Lindsay Price is right at him with the 63%, and the answer's 43%.
Jake got that one right. He's up 1-0, and you got to get to 3 to win those tickets to Joe Rogan. Question 2, Gimpy.
The question is, according to TripAdvisor, what percentage of Thanksgiving travelers go by car?
Trevally.
Jake said 73%. Lindsay says 48%. Just right over
Trevally.
Well, the answer is 76%.
Oh man, Jake almost got it again. That's 2 that Jake has. One more and he gets to see Joe Rogan December 4th. Gimpy.
Question. What percentage of people will spend Thanksgiving with their closest? Right.
And here's a fun fact about CVS's. They don't own their buildings.
Okay.
They build them to their specs, and then they sell them, and then they have landlords, investors, whatever, that own property. And so you're going to have a bunch of people trying to rent them out. They're getting stuck with the bill.
Get up.
What does CVS stand for?
Convenience Veterinarian Services? I don't know.
I have no idea. Central Value
Shopping.
Shopping, yes.
Yeah.
Consumer Value Store.
House, somewhat close.
Yeah.
The one I go to,
How do
no
you
one
get
goes into.
something?
The pharmacy.
Number of reservations up to 160,000. Ford hopes to catch up to Tesla and become the second largest EV maker in the nation. I found out yesterday that the Broken Arrow Police Department has a Tesla squad car.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Did you find out by a situation?
I was passing by. I was passing by, and there were 2 cops, and I guess they had put in a car up on the record flatbed, and there was one regular.
Was it the Tesla?
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh,
And
you
the
go in the
Tesla
rock?
went behind it. I was like, well, that's interesting. Is that a
Go under the rock?
Yeah, that was in the news a while back that they got that car. So funny to hear your story because they were probably like Tesla,
Babe.
whatever. Now they're like, oh man, catch up.
Yeah, right. We got to do something. Hey, OSHA halts COVID vaccine mandate. The agency was ordered last week to wait until federal appeals court reviewed the policy. One judge called it, quote, fatally flawed and said it raises serious constitutional concerns. Several states and industry groups have sued to overturn the rule.
Right. Now we're going to stop.
Right. And lastly, the Wassa Education Foundation has donated more than $70,000 in grant money to almost 50 teachers yesterday. It's a part of an event called
Good morning. It's the Big Mad Morning Show. 918-460-KMOD.
Get 2 more bait.
You can also text BMMS and then what you want to say to 82945. Probably one of the more, I'm going to do 2 stories in the next couple minutes. It's not reckless, but it can be, especially when it comes to the part where people get pardoned.
Yeah.
Look at this. It
So
has
in
a
my
yellow
mind,
tail.
it's incredibly bizarre that this judge can do this and get away with it.
Yeah, and it's not
The
just
one that we
that
normally
judge.
get?
It's any
No,
judge.
Can't see.
Any judge can do what that guy did.
Look,
Now,
Sure.
will they? I don't know. Probably not. I hope not.
Yeah.
But the fact of it is they can.
the tail is so
How
yellow.
do you
Ah,
safeguard
yeah,
against
the
that?
clothes. What are you saying?
Well, you can't, right? There's a balance between vulnerability
Oh,
Oh,
and
baby
then there's a
Hamour.
punishment, right? So the
Where's
punishment
your
should be there in case you
mama?
decide to not be morally right.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't just not let that happen, in my opinion. They should have, that's the whole point of a judge, right?
Yeah. See, this is kind of what we were talking about yesterday
You
with
okay, babe?
prosecutors and their track
Why
record.
you
Okay, I'm like 15-0
upset?
when it comes to cases or whatnot. They don't care. They don't care. They're just trying to get their numbers up.
Good. Hey, you ever have this happen?
You still have it?
fellas?
Yeah.
Since it's all the fellas here right now, where your wife tells you, I don't know, a couple months ago or whatever, tells you something and says that something's going to happen. You know, hey, we're going to do this on this day, and you go, oh yeah. But because it's quick, you just kind of listen halfway. You ever do that, fellas?
oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a big one.
Huh?
It's a big one.
Big?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know if it's. It sure feel like a more. It ain't running like a queen. He's just trying to go down. And pulling. Normally they don't pull drag when it's set this tight.
Oh yeah. I can see it, babe. It's big.
Yes, sir.
It's big. Oh no. Wait, how? I will hold it. Wait, hold the rug in here. I'm gonna hold it tight.
Both hands on.
Ouch. Oh. Ay, may more. Oh no. How much kg is that? Oops. Ow. Oh, that's big. It's huge.
.3, 8.4.
You're right. Ha 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 ha. That's a nice one. Whoops. Here. Yes. Okay. Can I?
Yeah, just. What are you doing?
I'm getting my gloves.
You just stick your finger right there.
Oh, it's heavy, babe. Why only one? Ah, on the mouth?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You're not in the mouth, you're in the gills.
No, see, I'm holding the
That's
mouth.
okay.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. I cannot hold it up. Oh, I cannot hold it anymore. It's
Put it
heavy.
down.
I'm holding the mouth. Whee! It's really heavy. Oh.
Catch and release.
A release? Yeah. No way. No, I'm gonna make a.
You gonna keep this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that for sure because we don't have any more fish. Wow. Nice one.
Finally.
Finally.
And as horrible as you want to a police officer, and there, I guess maybe if
Ah. Oh, what is it?
Oh,
Yeah, the
flathead.
flathead. The
They
flathead.
were eat that?
No, I think that one is. It has a lot of bones. Huh?
It's got a lot of spines.
Careful, babe. You know that they are.
I remember that your client gave you one of them.
Yeah.
I was trying filleting it,
And then yeah, I know.
but they don't fillet.
Oh, you can keep that for them.
I mean, it has meat.
Yeah. For them. Cute, huh? They have teeth?
No,
No? Oh, what is that?
his tongue.
Tongue? Oh, they have a teeth, a small one.
It has a little bit there on the top.
Yeah. Flathead. It's a flathead.
We'll give Smiley the flathead.
Huh?
We'll give Smiley the flathead.
usually it's always been the night before Thanksgiving is
Oh,
a
maybe
big
baby Hamour.
a party night, big night out, and usually you perform. But this year you're gonna go see your mom.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see my mom, and I have a standing gig Thursday at House of Blues. And
there's so much.
Thanksgiving falls on Thursday. I just found this out.
Yeah, first time ever.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't pay attention. I just like the turkey.
Just throw it in the boat.
Hey, you're gonna go see your mom. How do you? And your dad passed some time ago, just like my father's passed some time ago, and I can't get my mom to go do anything, get her out of the house. How have you? Does your mom? Does she have things that she goes? She's always had a bunch of friends she's hung out with, right?
Yeah, she was independent of my dad. I mean, they loved each other. But they had two separate lives that they did anything. So when he finally passed away, she was already used to being independent and doing things with her friends. But she's 90 now. I mean, she's time has taken its toll, and she doesn't really get out. We moved her up to Arkansas. I don't know if you know that. We moved her up to North.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I probably won't go to Baton Rouge for a long time now.
So you're gonna spend Thanksgiving in Arkansas.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
You ever been there?
Yeah, I lived there for a few years. Sucks.
Yeah. What part? What part?
I was in a small town called